Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing both devices, power on the TV and Xbox, and set the TV to the correct HDMI input. Plug a high-speed HDMI cable into the Xbox HDMI OUT and into the TV HDMI port firmly. You should hear or feel a click. Once done, power the Xbox with its original adapter and confirm the console LED is active. Make sure the TV source selection matches the HDMI port you used, so the signal can appear immediately. Now focus on display and audio settings so the picture and sound work together. On the Xbox, go to Settings, General, TV and Display options. Choose the correct resolution and refresh rate that your TV supports. If you see no image, toggle the video fidelity options or try lower resolution. That often resolves handshake issues. For audio, select HDMI or optical as needed and enable Dolby or stereo according to your setup. Make sure cables are seated and that the TV's speaker setting is finished by verifying network and controller connectivity. Sign into your account and test a game or app so you confirm input and audio behave under load. If the screen stays blank, power cycle both TV and Xbox by unplugging for 10 seconds then restarting. That often clears HDMI handshakes. If problems persist, swap cables and try another HDMI port. If still failing, boot Xbox in low-resolution mode and consider a factory reset only after backing up saves. One key tip: always test with a known good cable first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.